Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a QR code for your Google Drive folder. So as you can see, we are in Google Drive and we're just going to create a folder. So we're going to come over to the left-hand side and click New, and I'm just going to say New Folder. So I'm just going to say, let's have a look, just say Test Folder. Amazing. Okay, so that has now been created. So what we're going to do is we're going to come over to this plus sign here with a person and press share. We're going to come over to the restricted button and then we're going to press anyone with the link. Amazing. And then what we're going to do is we're going to press copy link, which link has been copied. Amazing. And then we're going to come and open a new tab and we're going to look for a QR code generator. So I'm going to use this one here. It's been really good. And yeah, I really like it. So what we can do is we're just going to pop in our link here. Amazing. And then as you can see, you've got different options here that you can use. So you can change the frame if you wanted. We're not going to do anything like that, but you could do a different shape, color, logo, whatever you want. And then we're just going to press download. So that's just going to do that for us. You don't have to sign up or anything. Just sort of wait for it to load. Just wait for it to load. You don't worry about refreshing or anything. That's no problem. And then we're just going to save it in our downloads. And there we go. Amazing. Okay, so that has now been done, and then that can be used on your artwork, on your designs. If you want to do it on your posters, like for your business or anything, you've now created a QR code that is going to take you to that folder in the G Drive. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I really hope that you found it useful. If you could leave us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.